We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Taichung's Xinse Township is situated on the southern bank of the Dashi River, on a high plain with a climate conducive to growing fruit and flowers. Hakka started to immigrate here during the Lei Qing dynasty, when other land had already been taken, as the high plain was accessible and less fertile than areas like Dongshi. The area produces lokwa, grapes, and pears, while the Baling Aqueduct, an indigenous pipe system built by the Japanese to carry water over the mountains without the use of electricity, is still in use today and became a lifeline for Xinshi's residents after the September 21st earthquake. Xinshi also boasts Taiwan's largest rose garden, whose name literally translates as the Rose Forest. Hello and welcome to another exciting edition of our Hakka lesson of the day. 大家好，我係大衛王。
大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Now, Alice, just when people think they understand the language, sometimes it could be very confusing, especially for the Mandarin-speaking population of Taiwan. 对这个讲国语的人来讲呢，有些客家话我们觉得好像已经很了解了，到最后恍然大悟是完全错误的。像什么？对，你们客家话怎么说？
错。
是吗？我觉得你讲错了，错才是错是错，对是对。
唔係啦，對就是錯，不對呢就是唔錯。
唔錯，唔錯，不錯就是對啊。
不錯就是唔錯就是不對啊。
Okay, now you get it? I still don't get it. One more time. Okay, right 叫什么？
錯。
对叫做错，不对。
唔錯。
不錯。就是对 in Hakka. Boy, this is really confusing. I get it.
好，那我考你咯。
Okay.
对。
錯。
啊，不對呢？
唔錯。
很強啊。
Okay, give us an example. Today is a very hot day, right?
錯。
Right. Okay, in Hakka.
今杯天是凍嘢錯嗎？
錯啊。
嘿，錯啊，凍嘢了。
Yes. 那如果不对的话就唔錯啊。
唔錯啊，冇凍嘢啦。
这一句再講一次。
今杯天是凍嘢。
錯啊。
哎呀。
Thank you very much, Alice.
什麼大家特別話按字些？
什麼大家 Alice 按字些？
上來了。
上來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.